Welcome to solverfy.
We are given nonplanar graphs, and we are asked to determine which of these graphs have the property that the removal of any vertex and all edges incident with that vertex produces a planar graph. So in part A, we're given the graph K5, complete graph with 5 vertices. We draw this just by drawing a sort of pentagon. Because it's a complete graph, we have that every vertex has an edge with every other vertex. Now, if we remove a vertex and incident edges, we obtain another complete graph, K4. Now, we know that K4 cannot have a subgraph homeomorphic to K through 3. Because K4 only has 4 vertices, well, subgroup homeomorphic to K through 3, we need to have at least 6 vertices. And of course, it's also not homeomorphic to K5. Again, because the number of vertices in K4 is only 4, and to have a subgroup homeomorphic to K5, we require at least 5 vertices. Therefore, it follows that by theorem 2, K4 is a planar graph. Now in part B, we're given the graph K6, so the complete graph on 6 vertices. Now, if we remove one of the vertices from K6, then the resulting graph is K5. And clearly, this is homeomorphic to K5 since it is K5. Therefore, by theorem 2, new graph is not planar. In part C, we're given the graph K33, so the complete bipartite graph. And we have that if we remove one of the vertices, then with the incident edges, the new graph is going to be K32 or K23. Now, we have that neither option is homeomorphic to K33 since the new graph only has 5 vertices, and we have that neither option has a subgraph homeomorphic to K5, because even though we do have 5 vertices, we know that a subgroup homeomorphic to K5 would need at least 10 edges, because K5 has 10 edges. And if we remove the vertices with the edges, now we're removing 3 edges. And the total number of edges to begin with is only 9, so that's now 6 edges total. And therefore, by theorem 2, it follows that the new graph is a planar graph. And in part B, we're given the complete bipartite graph K34. So if we remove one of the vertices from K34, along with the incident edges, and the resulting graph is going to be K33 or K24. Now obviously K33 is homeomorphic to K33. So in this case, by theorem 2, it follows that the new graph is not planar. However, suppose that the new graph is K24. Well, we have that K24 is actually a planar graph. Although we don't have to consider this case because we said to remove any edge